Hey there everybody, it's Lynnea here for LDRS Creative, and it is time once again for our monthly features. So once a month near the end of the month, myself and the rest of the design team, we all come together and we create projects using a certain theme. So this month our theme is fall favorites, so you're going to see a lot of fall themed cards, and I chose to use some products from the new release. So one of my favorite, in fact probably my most favorite product from this release is the Doodle Borders Stamp Set. This has 4 stamps and they all have this whimsical doodle style theme. And so I'm picking which one I want to use. I love all of them, but in the end I decided to go with the pumpkins. That was one that I hadn't really used that much, and so I thought that I would use that one. So I have gone ahead and I have die cut a panel of cardstock using the smallest size die from the A2 diagonal stitched layered card toppers die set. And I've stamped the pumpkins from the Doodle Borders Stamp Set right in the center of that panel, and I used LDRS Creative Raven Hybrid ink, which is perfect for allowing me to do some Copic coloring. Now I've sped the coloring up quite a bit because honestly coloring is not my biggest strong suit and it's not something that I'm especially talented at. So I color very simply. I usually pick 3 markers for each color that I want to do, and I add some shadow with my darkest, and then I go to my medium, and then I go to my lightest. Really simple, really anybody can do this kind of easy shading. So I colored up this Doodle Borders stamp, and then I also stamped some additional little critters from the Campfire Friends Pocket Pal stamp set just to go along with my little pumpkin border scene here. And then I die cut those Campfire Friends Pocket Pal stamps with the coordinating die set. I wanted to have a background for my image, and I am obsessed with the Modern Trellis A2 cover plate, also from the October release. So I went ahead and I grabbed a piece of Nita cardstock, which is what I colored on, and I die cut that die, that cover plate die from that so that I would have perfectly matching cardstock. I wanted this to have almost like an embossing folder look. So I cut that from the white cardstock, and I'm going to glue this onto another piece of white cardstock, and that's going to give me almost like that faux embossed look, that white on white look that's just going to add just a tiny bit of texture to my background. I'm going to add a simple sentiment, and the sentiment that I saw that really kind of grabbed my attention is from another stamp set. It's from the Thankful for You stamp set, which is actually a tag stack stamp set, but the sentiments in there are perfect for a bunch of other uses. So I went ahead and stamped that with LDRS Creative Raven Hybrid ink in that top right hand corner. I added that stitched panel on top of my cover plate panel with some foam tape to give just a little bit of lift and dimension, and this card is complete. Thanks so much for watching. On the screen now are a couple other videos that I thought you might like, and remember to come back to my channel tomorrow for another video featuring LDRS Creative fall products. See you then. Bye.